Is the teacher instructing you to help them?
Yeah.
Or you just do it by yourself?
Sometimes my teacher tells me to help them, or what's number 6? I do it by myself.
Oh my God. You're so very kind with your classmates, right? Mm. Does the teacher reward you for that?
No. No.
How are you recognized being...
Hard.
Mm?
Wait. I'm just laughing because those are easy words for him.
Ah, okay.
Enter the door.
Camila, what's that?
Red. It's the moonlight. Ah!
Oh, tingin dito, Caleb. You too? You too?
No. Go a
Ano?
little there.
Oh.
You don't get hurt. 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
I go very fast. Camila, let's see. Go fast. I'll go fast.
Ba, marunong pala si Edith.
Exercise. Pagdabok na din, dapat parang maikli ang kanya, dahong kapitulis siya. Hindi ari ang buhok ng kala ko naliligo ka na.
Tigas mo yan. Pag gusto niya lang po.
May sipon.
Na-allergy.
Bakit ba ganyan ang mga minaman?
Ba, si Errol. Ay, ganyan.
Ay, lubog na pala talaga.
Jello.
Ay,
Last na to. Wala ko hingi yung iba.
ano, tutulog na naman? Mamaya natin paliguan mga ari. Asahin nyo na.
Sarap!